Good morning. Welcome to the art show. And I'm gonna show y'all some artwork that I'm working on. Enjoy. Okay, this is what I'm coloring. Still working on this train. I'm just using my yellow pencil and I'm filling in my spots. This way y'all can get to see what I'm doing. This must be the old steam engine. Okay, and there's some grass right there. Take this little green pencil. Just fill in those spots. That's all I'm doing. Let's see. Okay, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.